So she is super happy with her little blanket there, but the topic of this video isn't my cat. So here we have a beautiful cattleya orchid, and what I wanted to talk with you today, it is about how we get the best flower arrangement, let's say, in our orchids. We know that cattleya buds sometimes get tangled, and that was my case. So the buds were crossing each other and would have touched each other and looked really funky. So to prevent that from happening, when the buds were about 4 centimeters, I actually placed this little cotton in between them, and that kept them from touching, and now they are properly positioned. Now at first this bud was in reverse, so now he opened correctly. Actually this bud didn't yet completely open, and we can see a big difference in the flower size. When this orchid opens its buds, it looks like this, very small, but then they enlarge quite a bit, and we can see that the color is absolutely stunning. Now about this orchid, she is actually a color changer. Last year, or no, 2 years ago, when she bloomed, last year she took a break, she was a very simple orange color. She has a waxy texture, but this year she has a lot of deep orange and reddish tinges, which makes it very beautiful in my opinion. Again, the buds don't really open to that color. And now at this time I can already remove the cotton from between the buds. I think it got a little bit stuck from the honey sap, but it doesn't matter. There you go. So we can see that now the buds are arranged very nicely, and until the other one completely opens, this orchid will still face the light, and after that she will stay next to my orchids, as you can see. But for now I will put her back, and yeah, if you ever have an cattleya orchid which has multiple buds and you want them to be separated and to look very pretty, this is what you need to do. You need to put some cotton pads in between the buds, and I will show to you another example. In here, this is my cattleya Iwanagara apple blossom pink, and she has about 6 buds per spike, so we can expect that these buds will actually touch each other, and when they will be bigger, like this size, or let's say maybe a bit smaller, but a good size, I will start to add little pieces of cotton in between them, because we want them to be properly spaced, so we have a very nice show. We can see again that here I have 3 spikes, and this one didn't yet showed how many buds, but yeah, it will be quite a show. And to show you a little look on my window, it's full of snow. Not looking at all as spring, right now at least. So alright guys, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you all next time. Bye!